How to fix Facebook auto back problem on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short tutorial I'll teach you how to fix Facebook auto back problem on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Force quit the Facebook app. To force quit the Facebook app, first open the app switcher. Then swipe right to find the app, then swipe up on the app. Now wait for a while, then reopen the Facebook app. Method 2. Offload the app. To offload the app, first open the Settings app and navigate to General. Now scroll down and tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, swipe down and find Facebook and tap on it to open the app details. On the app's details page, tap Offload app. Now a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Offload app again to confirm. Now wait for a while and then reinstall your Facebook application by clicking on Reinstall app. Method 3. Restart your device. To restart the device, press and hold the power button and volume button until the slider to power off slider appears on the screen. Now drag the slide to power off. After that, wait for a few seconds as your iPhone shuts down completely. After your iPhone has powered off, press and hold the power button again, holding it until you see the Apple logo. As soon as the Apple logo appears, release the power button. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.